Afghanistan, which the whole world has known only for war and destruction for the last 4 decades, has today taken up the challenge of changing the map of the world. Afghanistan is working on some incredible mega projects that will change the commercial future of the whole of Asia. Billions of tons of sand are being removed from the heart of the desert. Millions of dollars of oil are being extracted from the ground. International corridors are being cut through mountains, and huge orchards are being built in the war-torn capital, where thousands of varieties of green and red fruits will be hanging. Afghanistan has today taken up such mega projects that are making even the big powerful countries think anew. The Taliban government has now shaken the whole world, because they are going to erase a desert from the map of the world forever. They are removing billions of tons of sand from the northern desert. Afghan engineers say that they are digging a secret vein in the desert, and this vein will suck 20% of the water from the Amu Darya. With the help of 6,000 starving laborers and hundreds of rusty machines, they are digging through the desert to create a 285-kilometer-long artificial river. It will be the largest artificial river in Asia. The name of this river is Kustepakal. It may seem unbelievable, but war-torn Afghanistan is doing exactly this impossible today. They are erasing the vast dusty desert of the north from the map of the world forever. Ending the rain of dust and sand, they are bringing a stream of silver water there. This canal has been designed in such a way that 20% of the water of the Amu Darya will flow through this canal. As a result, 1.36 million acres of land in Afghanistan will become suitable for cultivation. The country that was full of the smell of gunpowder even 5 years ago is now fragrant with the smell of flowers, fruits, and various crops. Millions of acres of land have been made suitable for grape cultivation using the water of this canal flowing in the heart of the desert. Rows of vineyards have now been established on that rough land of the desert. Due to the well-planned cess system of the Kustepa Canal, grapes are now hanging in bunches on these lands. World-class raisins are being made from these high-quality grapes produced by the skillful work of Afghan farmers, which are now spreading in the world market. Not only grapes, but the water of the Kustepa Canal has filled the desert edge of Afghanistan with red fruits. Through the last system developed around the water of this canal, pomegranate gardens have been created across a vast area. The dry desert is now a sari of pomegranate trees, and on it hang bright red pomegranates like blood. The total budget of this project has been estimated at about $383 million, which is more than 4,500 crores in Bangladeshi taka. Imagine that the people of the country used to eat one meal and not eat the next. Today, that country stands proudly before the whole world with the strength of this mega project. Amu Darya oil field. The country that the whole world knows only for war is today extracting oil from the ground. Millions of liters of oil are being extracted every day with the help of a Chinese company on the border of Turkmenistan in northern Afghanistan. Dealing rig pumping machines and 47 beaming units are working here. Currently, about 40 oil wells are working very actively in this oil field, from which about 270,000 tons of fruit oil are extracted in 2025. The Afghan government has earned about $140 million in revenue from this production. If calculated in Bangladeshi taka, it is about 1,500 crore taka. The relationship between Afghanistan and China is as friendly as two brothers. But unfortunately, the transportation system between Afghanistan and China has been terrible, weak and extremely challenging for a long time. If a truck or car went from Afghanistan to China, it had to cross a road that was built by cutting through a mountain several hundred meters high. On one side, there were bad mountains, and on the other side, you could see a deep ditch below the strait. The width of these roads was so small that there was no room for two cars to pass side by side. When a car came in front, the other car had to stop. Sometimes it had to move back. There is no guard lane on this road, there is no safety, and a slight mistake means direct death. To change this risky communication system, Afghanistan started this corridor road project. The aim of this project is to create a dedicated, planned, and secure road link between Afghanistan and China. This road is being built on the sandy, dry desert, mountains, and uneven rocks of Afghanistan with a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. Heavy earth-moving machines are being used to build this road. Rock-cutting technology, grading, and leveling systems. This road is being advanced towards the Chinese border by cutting mountains and leveling the land step by step. The Taliban government has undertaken a mega project that is going to be the largest and most challenging energy project in South Asia. Afghanistan is building a 3,600-kilometer-long natural gas pipeline under its soil. This pipeline will supply gas to different countries of the world. This gas will come from Turkmenistan's vast gas fields. From there, the gas will go to Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India through the pipeline. This gas will be used to generate electricity in industrial plants and as cooking fuel. This mega project is moving ahead at an unstoppable pace despite the geopolitical challenges of the desert, the natural barriers of the mountainous region, and the security risks.